Hey guys, good morning! This is super exciting. We are finally wrapping up the last little details on this Project 92 YJ so we can take that engine out. I just have to take the distributor cap off, get the spark plug wires out of the way, drain the oil, remove some grounds and a little more wiring, so let's get to it. And yeah, I know, it's like, dude, it's not that hard, just take those few things off. But honestly, when you are working on a project like this and you have to film it and edit it and set up the camera and get the lighting, and there's just so many little things, it makes a super simple project like this take about 3 times longer. But that's also the fun part. I get to share with you guys and show you what I'm doing as we're going along on this project, working on it together with you. It's kind of fun, I really enjoy that. Where did I set my screwdriver? Oh, right there. So yeah, I love hearing from you guys and getting the questions and comments. It's really cool. And notice this distributor cap, it'll only go on one way. See how this part here is rounded and you got a square on this side? Matches up to the distributor. Round on this side, square on that side. We'll disconnect the wire to the oil pressure sending unit. And as you're going along, be sure to label everything. That'll really save you a lot of headache down the road. Now let's go after this ground right down here. Just gonna zip tie these grounds together and label them. Keep them all nice and straight so I know where everything goes. Alright, let's remove the wiring off the starter here. This little terminal on the starter solenoid here, it's trying to break on me. It's just rusted. Try to save it here. I don't know, it might have some damage. We'll take a look at it here in a second. Might be salvageable. I really need a deep set on there. This is that terminal I was a little concerned with. You can see how it's loose now. Now just 2 bolts on the starter, this one here and this one here, and the starter will come out. I think it's loose. So here's that part on that solenoid here that I was worried about. Kind of broke off the plastic down in there, but it's still attached. I'm fairly confident it'll still work just fine. Just when I go to put this back on, I gotta be real careful of that. And that wraps everything up on the passenger side here. There's just a few things to get on the driver's side. And the oil. Got this wire that goes to the oxygen sensor. on the exhaust. And one last ground here attached back here at the end of the head here. And that is it on the driver's side. One more thing to do. I'm just gonna simply drain the oil. Finally, the last step. Okay, and with that, I think the engine is 100% prepped for removal. Unless I forgot one last little thing, which, I don't know, I guess I'll find out. So thanks for following along on this rebuild. If you've missed some of my videos, I'll link one over here where you can catch up on where we're at with removing this engine. Thanks for watching, have a good day.